In our latest People of ITHENA, meet Bhavana Pillai, software developer at ITHENA.
Hi, I'm Bhavana Pillai, a software developer at ITHENA. Outside work, I have two hobbies that play an important part in my life. One is playing the keyboard and other is paper quilling. I discovered paper quilling when I was around 15 years old and I started to learn playing keyboard when I was around 17. While both of these hobbies are different, they bring a balance to my life. Paper quilling helps me focus on my work as it is a creative activity, while playing the keyboard helps me unwind and recharge from my daily routine. Some of the favorite memories that I have come from these hobbies. Paper quilling helps me make earrings and jewelries that I can gift to my family and friends. It is always rewarding to see someone wear something you have made.